What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the series with this twin turbo 350Z. So today I'm actually going to be doing some detailing work and we're going to work on the inside of the vehicle. So basically I haven't touched this since I got it. It is very dirty, it's very disgusting, and I'm going to start gutting it and restore this thing just like it should be. So here's a little friendly reminder, 350Z doors are really heavy. And so if you're going to leave them open for a long period of time, make sure you jack them up so that way nothing gets worn down. Alright guys, so I'm going to basically show you guys how disgusting this actually is right now. And you can see by this is not the normal color. I hope the highlights aren't too bright in this. But then inside, this is where everything gets really bad. I mean, you can see the floor mat is a completely different color. There's just dirt, debris everywhere. Who knows what's underneath that seat. The plastics need a good cleaning. Everything just needs a really good cleaning. So what I want to do first is actually remove the seats. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to take the floor mats out. And one key thing when you're removing floor mats is make sure that if there's any dirt on it, just keep it on the floor mat until you take it outside the vehicle, because if not, you're just going to spend more time vacuuming. Okay, so in order to pour the seat out, you have one bolt over there, one bolt here. You can see right here. So you can see here, that is one of the bolts. You have another one right over there. And then you can pull the seat forward. Another bolt there, and then the other one there. You're going to want your 14mm socket, but in some cases this might not be helpful because it might be really tight, so you might want some extra leverage. Just keep that in mind. And once your 4 bolts are out, make sure you unplug any of the wires and then go ahead and lift the seat out. And as you can see, is why I want to pull the seat out. It's pretty dirty in here. So now that the driver's seat is pulled out, we can actually see what we found. So there's a pen, got a 12mm socket, 2 pins. Obviously that's the seat wiring harness. And say I were to put in leather seats, this is for, you know, the heating, because there were once leather seats in here. Got some change, one of these pin holder things, and a lot of trash. So let's get started and start vacuuming this thing. So before you vacuum, make sure you remove anything you could really remove by hand, like leaves. Your vacuum doesn't need to suck those up. But any trash you just want to pull out. It's just easier to pull any of the big sort of debris out before you start vacuuming, just because the vacuum doesn't need to pull it all out. And so once you do start vacuuming, it's very beneficial to have any sort of brush with you, because sometimes you'll have dirt that's embedded in the carpet and often the vacuum cannot suck it out. So if you have a brush, you could agitate it and all the dirt will come out. Just a fun little tip. Also, in case you're wondering what vacuum I'm using, this is simply a Stanley 4 horsepower mini vacuum. Pretty sure I got this on at Walmart on Black Friday, and it works fine. Doesn't really matter what kind of vacuum you have as long as it sucks the dirt. It could be a household vacuum or even anything designed for garages or cars. Doesn't really matter. Alright, once that's all good, you're ready to start vacuuming. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it already looks 100 times better. But now, pretty much most of the dirt was removed, but there is a little bit of hair. So I want to be using this tool right here to help remove all of the extra pet hair and just hair in general off of the carpet. Basically, it just helps break down the static charge and it just pulls the fur right off. Alright guys, and like that, your interior will look phenomenal and just much better than it was before. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of basically step 1 of me cleaning this interior. As you can see, I only used 3 tools and the interior already looks 100 times better. I removed the seat, removed the carpet, which I haven't touched this yet because I'm saving this for another video on how to really deep clean these floor mats, because these get more disgusting than anything else. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already so that way you can follow this series. Thank you, take care, have a nice day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.